Hi, third grade. Okay, so I'm going to go over flexible instruction day packet number 1. Okay, so flexible day packet number 1. All right, so on the first page, you needed to write a paragraph with the title, My Dog and I. Religion, do 5 good deeds throughout the day. And if we go on to the next page, identifying and using nouns. So in the first section, we needed to fill in the blanks with the correct words. If there were capitalizations that need to be done, we need to make sure they capitalize them. So I'm going to read the sentence with the correct words, okay? So number 1, Tiffany prefers pepperoni and onions on my pizza. Now the pepperoni and onions can be flip-flopped, and Tiffany needs to be capitalized. Not only is it the first word of the sentence, it's also a proper noun. Number 2, the sink has a leak that makes an annoying dripping noise. No capitals there. Number 3, my dad helped me finish my math homework. Now, no capitals there. I know some of you might have capitalized dad, but I'll tell you a trick. If you see my in front of it, it's not going to be capitalized, okay? If you can put in an actual name like Tom and say, my Tom helped me finish my math homework, that doesn't make sense. So if there's a my in front of it, or you cannot replace the word dad with an actual name, then it does not get capitalized, okay? So that's the trick, all right? If my wasn't there, then dad would definitely be capitalized. Number 4, the room is cold because the window is open. Number 5 through 10, we needed to underline the nouns in each sentence. I'm just going to tell you the nouns in the sentence that should be underlined. So number 5, television, wall, room. Number 6, David, homework, movie. Number 7, paper and backpack. Number 8, music and classroom. Number 9, David, dishes and kitchen. Number 10, Garrett, arm and ladder. Okay. All right, let's go on to our math page. This was our telling time. And I did the first 5 on my board here, so I'm just going to go over them. So number 1 should say the time is 8:30. Now remember, I asked you to write it in words underneath. So it should say the time is 8:30, 8:30. Number 2, the time is 1:15, 1:15. Number 3, the time is 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Number 4, the time is 9:30, 9:30. Number 5, the time is 10:45, 10:45. If you wrote 11:45 or 11:15, that's fine too. They all mean the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to move on to number 6. The time is 11:45, 11:45, 11:45, 11:45. Okay, they will all work. Number 7, the time is 10:15, 10:15. Number 9, the time is 9 o'clock, or just written 9 o'clock. And number 9, the time is 2:45, 2:45. Okay? All right. Let's move on to simple solutions. All right. Underline the noun. So when does the cat eat? Cat should be underlined. Number 2, choose the correct article. It was about an ugly duckling. Remember, an is used when the next word starts with a vowel sound. So ugly starts with a vowel sound. You need an. And remember, a is used when there's a consonant sound. Good job. Number 3, underline the best helping verb to complete the sentence. Sophia is going to play practice. Number 4, write the proper noun correctly in the answer box. So we had to write Mr. Jones properly. So capital M-R period, capital J-O-N-E-S. Number 5, in the answer box, write the plural of each word. So mouth would be mouths, M-O-U-T-H-S, and tooth would be teeth, T-E-E-T-H. Number 6, write in the answer box, write the plural of each of these words. So we have stick would be sticks, S-T-I-C-K-S. Stone would be stones, S-T-O-N-E-S. Okay, let's flip it over here. Number 7, underline the preposition. I'm pretty sure we did this one together. You should have underlined from. Number 8, choose the correct article. A dog is lying in the grass. So A, remember, is used with a consonant sound. Whatever the next word starts with a consonant sound is A. Number 9, in the answer box, write the plural of each word. Grape, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S. Banana, bananas, B-A-N-N-A-S. Number 10, underline the object pronoun. Remember, object pronouns come into the preposition part of the sentence. So after the verb, I gave her the toys. Her is the object pronoun. If you underlined I, that's a subject pronoun, okay? So make sure you have her underlined. 11, in the answer box, write the plural of each word. Floor, floors, F-L-O-O-R-S. Cup, cups, C-U-P-S. Number 12, underline the article. Where did the ball go? The. Remember, there's 3 articles, a and the. All right. Good job, guys. Let's move on to our story, The Best Summer Ever. Okay. All right, so we're going to work on comprehension. Number 1, when Grandma Papa moved away, she felt C, both A and B. So she felt glad to be away from the cold winters, but she also felt sad because she was moving away from her family. Number 2, Felicia wanted her friend Peta, or Peta, I guess either way you could say that, to go with her because C, Felicia thought the trip would be fun with a friend her own age. Number 3, Peta could not go with Felicia on the trip because A, her father was sick. 4, Felicia probably felt several emotions when she learned about Peta's father because she, C, both A and B. So she thought the trip would not be the same without Peta, and she was worried about Peta and Peta's father. So C. Number 5, when Grandma Papa met Felicia at the airport, she cried because C, Felicia's visit meant a great deal to her. Number 6, Grandma Papa wanted Felicia to meet her friends because she, B, was proud of Felicia and wanted her friends to meet her. 7, Felicia was happy about spending the first day at the clubhouse instead of the beach because A, she knew how much it meant to her grandmother. 8, a Greek food that Grandma Papa served was B, stuffed grape leaves. And number 9, from the story we learned that A, sometimes it's more important to think about others first. Okay, it's a great lesson to learn. Okay, down to learn about words. Number 1, to get, to act. From paragraph 2, prod. Number 2, speaking at length. From paragraph 5, rambling. Number 3, slipped gradually. Paragraph 10, lapsed. 4, general idea. Paragraph 10, gist. Number 5, tempting. Paragraph 10, inviting. Number 6, guided. Paragraph 12, steered. And number 7, dramatic movement. Paragraph 12, flourish. Okay, over to number 8. So they give you a word. You got to decide which meaning A or B. So number 8, support from paragraph 8 would mean to aid or assist, B. Number 9, let's see, host from paragraph 12 is a great number, A. And number 10, resolve from paragraph 15 is B, made a definite decision. All right, down to word study C. All right, so these are analogies. Now, we have talked about analogies being antonyms or synonyms, okay, or how things work, okay? What they're doing is, let's look at the example. Room is to house as branch is to would be tree, okay? Because room is inside of a house. It's part of the house, okay? Branch is part of a tree. So here they're talking parts, okay? Run is to running as talk is to talking. So we went from run to running. You need to go from talk to talking, okay? So sometimes it's adding suffixes to the words or word endings to the words. All right, so we have talked about antonyms and synonyms, but we haven't talked too much about these type of analogies, okay? But there are different types of analogies. So if you read that paragraph, you would have understood all of that as well. So let's look at number 11. Mother is to aunt as father is to uncle. Number 12, hand is to write as bell is to ring. Okay, so hand is write's what you do with your hand. Ring is what you do with the bell. Okay. Number 13, car is to driver as plane is to pilot. Okay, so you have a driver that handles the car. A pilot will take control of a plane. Number 14, coffee is to drink as hamburger is to eat. Number 15, easy is to simple as hard is to difficult. Okay, so there are some synonyms. Those are the ones that we've done before. Number 16, ceiling is to room as lid is to pan. Okay, so ceiling, there's a ceiling in the room. Okay, and a pan has a lid. Okay. Number 17, glove is to hand as boot is to foot. You put your glove on your hand, you put a boot on your foot. Okay. 18, swim is to pool as jog is to road. So you swim in the pool, you jog on the road. All right, so there's some different analogies that we haven't done before, so that's good. All right, I hope you understood those. Now, in section D, we had to find which word is going to come in alphabetical order first. So all you had to do is write the first word out of the three to tell which one will be in the first spot in alphabetical order. So number 19, halter. Number 20, hire. Number 21, jackal. Number 22, leadership. Number 23, paleontology. Number 24, rejuvenate. And number 25, tiger. Okay, guys, if you have any questions and don't understand something that we talked about in this packet day 1, please let me know, and I will go over it a little bit better than what we did. Okay? All right, guys. Bye. Have a good day.